Welcome back to the Basics Hub. If you're a pet owner, you know how much joy our furry friends bring into our lives. But keeping them entertained and comfortable can sometimes be a challenge, especially when it comes to finding affordable solutions. Today, we're showcasing some fun and practical DIY projects that are perfect for your pets. From homemade toys to cozy beds made from upcycled materials, these projects are budget-friendly and easy to make. Plus, they'll keep your pets happy and engaged. Let's get started. First up is a quick and easy way to create engaging DIY pet toys. Store-bought toys can be expensive, but making your own is not only cost-effective but also allows you to customize them for your pet's preferences. Project number 1, T-shirt tug toy. For our first project, we'll make a tug toy using an old t-shirt. Simply cut the shirt into strips about 1 inch wide and braid them together. This creates a durable tug toy that your dog will love. Project number 2, catnip stuffed toys. Next, let's make some catnip stuffed toys for your feline friends. Use fabric scraps to sew small pouches, fill them with catnip, and sew them shut. Your cats will go crazy for these. Project number 3, crinkle toy. For another fun toy, how about a crinkle toy? Use crinkly plastic like from snack bags and sew it inside fabric pouches. The sound will intrigue your pets. Cut the fabric into squares, place the crinkly plastic inside, and sew it up, making sure it's safe for your pet. Every pet deserves a cozy place to rest. Let's create some comfortable pet beds using materials you likely already have at home. Project number 4, upcycled sweater bed. For our first bed project, we'll use an old sweater. Simply stuff the body of the sweater with soft materials like pillows or blankets, then sew or tie off the ends to create a cozy bed. Project number 5, pillow bed. Another easy option is making a pillow bed. Take 2 large pillows, cover them with a soft fabric or blanket, and secure them together with ties or Velcro. Let's wrap these pillows up nicely. You can even personalize it by adding your pet's name or favorite colors. Keeping your pet's feeding area tidy is essential. Let's create a simple feeding station that looks great and keeps things organized. Project number 6, elevated feeding station. For this project, we'll use wooden crates or pallets to create an elevated feeding station. Stack the crates to your desired height and place food and water bowls on top for easy access. Project number 7, personalized feeding mat. You can also make a personalized feeding mat using fabric scraps. Cut the fabric into your desired shape, decorate it with non-toxic paint or fabric markers, and place it under your pet's bowls to catch spills. Let's get creative! You can also draw some paw prints on this mat. Your pets will love it. Interactive play is crucial for keeping pets mentally stimulated. Let's create some DIY projects that encourage playtime. Project number 8, treat dispenser toy. For our first interactive toy, take an empty plastic bottle and cut holes in it big enough for treats to fall out. Fill it with your pet's favorite treats and watch them figure out how to get the goodies. Make sure the holes are just big enough so treats can fall out but not so big that they all come out at once. Project number 9, DIY puzzle feeder. Another fun idea is making a puzzle feeder using cardboard boxes. Cut holes in various sizes in the box, fill it with kibble or treats, and let your pet work to get their food out. You can also cut different sized holes here. This will keep your dog entertained while they eat. Now let's move outdoors. Creating a comfortable outdoor space for your pet can be both fun and rewarding. Our next project is perfect for those sunny days when your pet wants to lounge outside. Project number 10, DIY pet cooling station. For our final project, we're making a DIY pet cooling station, perfect for those hot summer days. To start, we'll need a small kiddie pool, some PVC pipes, and a tarp. First, we'll create a frame with the PVC pipes that fits over the kiddie pool. Make sure your frame is sturdy. Now, we'll drape the tarp over the frame to create shade. Secure the tarp to the frame using zip ties or clamps. Make sure it's tight so it doesn't flap in the wind. Now, fill the kiddie pool with water. You can add some floating toys for extra fun. Your pet now has a shaded area to cool off on hot days. You can customize this cooling station in many ways. Add a small ramp for easier access, use a colorful tarp, or even add some pet-safe plants around the area for a more natural look. Today we've shared 10 creative DIY projects for your pets, from fun toys and cozy beds to interactive feeding stations. These ideas will not only save you money but also provide your furry friends with hours of enjoyment. Remember that creating these projects can be just as rewarding as giving them to your pets. Get creative and customize each project to fit your pet's personality. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more fun DIY ideas. What are your favorite DIY projects for pets? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Here's to happy pets and creative crafting. See you next time.